1988 Saab 900 Turbo in Indianapolis, valued at $5,600. This iconic Swedish sports car, inspired by aviation, a unique design and enjoys a fun, nostalgic driving experience. The engine is a fresh turbocharged Saab APC system with a rare solenoid kit for longevity. Its contemporary-styled exterior and immaculate interior suggest great car care and only to previous drivers. Purchased at a stunning $6,000 off its original price, this gem offers a fun drive with classic features such as the turbocharged engine, convertible top, and Jensen head unit, providing audiophiles with the perfect upgrade path. In 1998, the Saab 900 Turbo was the face-off between European sports cars and German alternatives, offering an unmatched mix of charm and power. But this generation offers a feel of nostalgia and a practicality that makes it appealing to modern car enthusiasts who seek the perfect balance of style and practicality. A 2000 Jeep Wrangler Sahara with a value of $9,000 was found in Olive Branch, Ms. This classic SUV offers a go-anywhere lifestyle, combining the raw thrill of an open-air adventure with off-road capabilities. Driven by a 4.0-liter inline-six engine, featuring a true 5-speed manual transmission in forest green over tan interior, complete with a soft top, all-terrain tires, and fog lights. The Sahara exemplifies the unmatched ruggedness of Jeep vehicles. In the era of touchscreen SUVs and AI assistance, the Wrangler represents a simpler, more reliable, and timeless experience. Featuring coil spring suspension from the iconic TJ Wrangler, the Sahara ensures optimal comfort and off-road performance, rivaling even the most advanced modern crossovers. Regardless of the year, a pristine 4.0-liter TJ Wrangler remains rare. It is an invaluable classic that, in our opinion, share your thoughts in the comments, remains a popular choice for beach or mountain weekends. 1997 Lexus LS400, found in Marietta, GA, valued at $8,500. This 90s flagship brings back a level of over-engineered, vault-like tranquility that is practically extinct today. It's not just a car, it's a masterpiece of reliability. Let's check out the details on this specific listing out of Kansas City, Missouri. Asking price? A ridiculously low for $1,000. Finished in a classic silver over a gray interior. This sedan shows 153,191 miles on the dash, which, for this chassis, means it's just getting broken in. Under the hood sits the legendary 4.0-liter 32-valve Doak V8 engine mated to a buttery smooth 5-speed automatic. With a clean title and a seller promising it needs absolutely nothing, this is a turnkey survivor. When Lexus dropped the LS400, it sent a shockwave straight through Germany, forcing heavyweights like the Mercedes S-Class and BMW 7 Series to completely rethink their game. It was quieter, smoother, and vastly more reliable than its European rivals. Compared to the hyper-complex, sensor-loaded luxury barges we commute in today, the 97 LS400 feels refreshingly honest. It isolates you from the road without isolating you from the driving experience. So is it worth in 2026? It is the ultimate daily driver loophole. If you want unmatched comfort and premium build that will outlive us all, this Lexus is a total steal. 1988 Volvo 740 GLE, founded in Atlanta, GA, valued at $8,000. This classic boxy Volvo reminds us what true, cost-no-object durability feels like. It's not fast, and it's not flashy, but it is an absolute tank. For a very reasonable asking price of just $8,000, you are looking at a classic beige over Tangil. Despite the unknown miles, this automatic sedan runs strong, doesn't leak a drop, and sits on a fresh set of new tires. Sure, it has some true vintage character. Back in 1988, The 740 was Volvo's premium midsize offering. It went head-to-head with heavyweights like the Mercedes-Benz W124 and the BMW 5 Series. While the Germans focused on Autobahn performance and handling, Volvo focused on unparalleled safety, practicality, and longevity. Compared to the hyper-complex, disposable electric crossovers we commute in today in 2026, this 740 feels refreshingly honest and mechanical. So, is it worth $8,000 in 2026? Absolutely. If you want a reliable, easy-to-wrench-on classic that will probably outlast modern traffic, this Volvo is a total steal. Drop a comment below. Would you daily drive this 80s brick today? The 1995 BMW E39 in Versailles, valued at $4,500, is a true legend in the automotive world, known for its exceptional comfort, sports car handling, and pure driving experience. It stands out from the non-electric vehicles on the road today. This E39, priced at a tempting $4,000 off its asking price, boasts a 2.8-liter inline-six engine, low miles 90,000, zero rust, and a clean title. Everything functions, including a sunroof and memory seats, despite occasional minor paint issues and single-wheel speed sensor needing attention. This classic drives exceptionally well. In 1997, the E39 outshined the E-Class W210 and Audi A6 with its responsive handling. Today, this sought-after daily driver is worth $4,000, but finding one for less than $100,000 is rare. Could you buy this classic for $4,000? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Today, we're looking at a true icon of German, over-engineering the legendary W124 chassis. This 90s classic reminds us what actual, cost-no-object build quality feels like. Under the hood, this elegant sedan is powered by the legendary 3.0-liter inline-six engine, delivering smooth, effortless power to the rear wheels through a rock-solid automatic transmission. Looking at the condition, it is remarkably preserved, with a beautifully maintained exterior and that indestructible MBTEX interior that absolutely refuses to age. It still has that signature heavy door thud that you just can't find in modern manufacturing anymore. Back in 1992, the W124 completely dominated the executive class, going head-to-head with fierce rivals like the BMW E30 for 5 Series. But the Mercedes stood apart, with its unmatched long-term durability and cloud-like ride comfort. Compared to the heavily digitized electric barges we commute in today in 2026, the 300E feels refreshingly grounded. It isolates you from the harsh road, but still keeps you mechanically connected to the drive. Finding a clean, unmolested W124 is getting harder every single day. If you want a timeless daily driver that will probably outlast modern traffic, this is a brilliant choice. 1998 Lincoln Town Car in Arlington, TN, with a value of $5,000. In this specific listing, the car has 77,000 miles with a bulletproof transmission. The car has a spacious trunk and a smooth ride. Back in 1998, the redesigned town car was the luxury sedan face-off against the DeVille. The Lincoln used the Panther platform, known for its strong body-on-frame construction and a lightweight, comfortable suspension. In 2026, will buying this car be worth it? Absolutely. With today's market conditions, you can find a well-maintained Panther platform car for offers unmatched comfort and a long-lasting 1993 Toyota Celica convertible, located in Jackson, TN, valued at $7,500. With its iconic pop-up headlights and smooth, aerodynamic styling, this isn't just an old Toyota, it's a massive nostalgia trip that's so hard to find today. For an incredibly reasonable asking price of $7,500, you are looking at a classic red over gray GT convertible with a clean title. It shows 134,800 miles on the dash, but under the hood sits Toyota's bulletproof 2.2-liter four-cylinder engine, paired with an automatic transmission that the seller promises shifts smoothly. This is a turnkey survivor. It runs great, features a brand new battery, and most importantly for a daily driver, both the AC and heat work perfectly. Back in '93, this 5th generation Celica was a design revolution, embracing the organic aero styling of the early '90s. It went head-to-head with cars like the Honda Prelude and the Nissan 240SX convertible. While it didn't have the rear-wheel drive drift appeal of the Nissan, the Celica won buyers over with unmatched reliability and practical front-wheel drive dynamics. Compared to the NUM AI-assisted electric commuters of 2026, this analog drop-top feels refreshingly honest, light, and tactile. It's the perfect, reliable weekend cruiser that will turn heads without leaving you stranded on the side of the road. Located in St. Louis, this 1995 Lexus SC300, valued at $6,500, is a true classic, embodying the finest elements of Japanese engineering from the 1990s. This sleek sports car, with its signature 3.0-liter to JZGE inline-6 engine, offers a balanced performance that persists even in today's over-engineered world. Delving into the SC300 specs, one notices the engine's reliability and the 6-speed automatic transmission's smooth operation, which ensured longevity for vehicle owners. Back in 1995, this car was a true competitor in the luxury car market, offering a perfect balance between style and practicality. In contrast to today's artificially intelligence-driven vehicles, the SC300's analog feel, combined with its premium sound system and comfortable cabin, offers a truly immersive driving experience. Today, purchasing a 1995 SC300 is an investment that remains valuable and reliable in 2026, making it a perfect choice for classic car enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. The 1995 Acula Legend, valued at $3,000, is a Japanese luxury cruiser still popular in 2026, sporting a sleek design and timeless elegance. This classic sedan offers a refined experience in a crowded, autonomous vehicle landscape. Under the hood, a 3.2-liter V6 to engine with 230 horsepower powers, the legendary transmission, the nostalgic leather interior, pristine title, and classic wood grain trim showcase well-preserved components. Acula Legend was a pioneer in the American luxury market, ahead of rivals like the Lexus LS400 and Infiniti Q45. Despite the lack of advanced tech, these legacy vehicles offer a smooth, mechanical ride with a direct connection to the road, feeling refreshingly different from today's digital barges. Today, finding a clean, running Legend is rare. If you want a reliable, turnkey classic offering premium comfort, this Acula Legend is an excellent investment.